back to the Politics. In this particular video, we'll discuss how to remember the certain important schedules of Indian constitutions. For example, if a question that was asked with respect to language, like which of the following schedules of Indian constitution that deal with the language, then in order to get the answer, you have to use this code language. That is, we will write the subjects that it's deal with this schedule, the language. When you count the total number of letters in the word, the language, for example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Total number of words, letter in this particular word is 8. So the 8th schedule of Indian constitution deals with language. Another example, for example, allocation of seats to the Rajya Sabha, which is covered under one of the schedules of Indian constitution. So there are 4 letters in this short word ASRS. The 4th schedule of Indian constitution deals with the allocation seats to the Rajya Sabha. Then another example, for example, municipality. If I am writing here municipality, the schedules of Indian constitution that deals with the municipalities, if you count the total number of letter here, you will get the 12. The 12th schedule of Indian constitution deals with the subject matter of municipalities. This way we will try to remember the schedules of Indian constitution in a different way, in an easy way. Thank you all.